we try to dive into the process, and we want to be better each year. And I think our program has been on that trajectory. We want to take another big step forward this year, and I think we have the players and personnel to do it. I think we have the staff to do it. We have to turn some of the things, the lessons that we learned as a young team last year. We have to turn those into moving forward and getting better, so we don't have to maybe relive some of those lessons. But in terms of how our guys represent the program, both on and off the court, the level of work capacity and desire to work, our guys have, in the 2 years that I've been here, I think it's only gotten better. And now we need to continue to take a step forward maturity-wise on the court and as a team where we're playing our best basketball, throughout the season.